Hey guys, I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today is day 2 of 25 days of holiday crafts. For today's project, you're gonna need a lot of sticks. All you need for this craft is your imagination, sticks, and some embellishments. Just a quick tip before you start, you'll see that there are naturally Y's, L's, and T's in sticks that you do not need to make, so definitely look out for those. And adding one simple branch will make an easy K. Also, to make the end result easier, when you're doing letters like H's and A's where there's a horizontal stick going across, you want to keep it a little bit long so that when you attach your letters later on, there'll be a little place left for you to hot glue. Okay, now I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways that you can decorate these. I think these look really pretty, just natural on their own, but sometimes they're a little more fun if you add stuff. So for this one, I just used some acrylic paint on each letter. On this next one, I took some embroidery thread and kind of randomly wrapped it around, and I really like the way it turned out. For Mazel Tov, I used Mod Podge and put some glitter all over it. This could be a great gift topper. This is also a great gift idea. You can take your stick and put it on a wooden frame and paint it white like I did. I used silver on Joy. And on this last one, I just added pom-poms. Colorful yet classy. So that's it, and as always, I would love to see your rendition, so please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see what you made. There are a lot of crafts in store, so please hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing the rest, and like this video if you liked it.